One shouldn't tell himself, who am I to daven to build the Beit Hamikdash? And there's a medrash brought down with Moshe Rabbeinu. Rabbeinu Yonah brings in Shara Avodah that when Hashem told Moshe Rabbeinu to build a menorah, and because I need light, Moshe Rabbeinu told Hashem, no matter how many menorahs I build, it's never going to be enough. You're Kadosh Baruch Hu. You're the creator of the world. No matter how much light I give you, it's never enough because you're bigger and better. And then Hashem tells him, bring me a korban. I want a korban. Bring me korbanos. Moshe Rabbeinu tells Hashem, I should give you korbanos. You're Hashem. You created the whole world. No matter how much korbanos I bring, if I take all the animals in the world, it's not going to be enough for you. You're Hashem. You own everything. And Hashem tells him, I want a shulchan. A shulchan, no matter how much bread I bake you, it's never going to be enough. Moshe Rabbeinu told him, no matter how many bakeries I own, it's never going to be enough. Hashem, you created all the world. What are you asking me to do? You're asking me to build you a home called the Beit Hamikdash. You're asking me to build you the Mishkan. Tells Moshe Rabbeinu to Hashem, no matter what I do, it's never going to be enough. You're the creator of the world. And then Hashem answered Moshe Rabbeinu, says the medrash, famous medrash, and it's a powerful medrash, and think about it. Hashem told Moshe Rabbeinu, all I ask from you is to do your part, your chelik. Of course, I don't need your light, I don't need your bread, I don't need your korbanos, I don't need your house. Hashem says, I created the whole world, but I want to see that you did your part. You're doing your part, although it's small, to me that's the whole world. You're doing your small part, says Hashem, to me means the whole world. What Hashem wants us to see is to do our chelik, to do our avodah, to do our job. We want the Beit Hamikdash rebuilt, but what do? We have to care. And we really have to daven for it the whole year, not only on Tisha B'Av. We got to daven for rebuilding the Beit Hamikdash. So says the Nefesh HaChaim, one shouldn't tell himself, who am I to daven to build the Beit Hamikdash? Because you are capable of actually building the Beit Hamikdash, says the Nefesh HaChaim. You could do it if you daven for it, if you care for it, if you actually change your actions, ben adam lechaver, you can actually really build the Beit Hamikdash. So says the Nefesh HaChaim, don't let this Yetzer Hara tell you, who am I to build the Beit Hamikdash? Because you can specifically, actually through your tefillahs and actions, build a Beit Hamikdash. If all of us thought like this, if all of us live by our lives by understanding how much of a difference we can make in rebuilding the Beit Hamikdash, by now the Beit Hamikdash would have been rebuilt. The issue is that we don't believe in ourselves enough. We don't believe in ourselves enough. We think there's so many other people that are from. There's so many other people doing Torah mitzvahs. There's so many Rabbanim. There was so many Rabbanim. There will be so many Rabbanim. Do I really make a difference? That's where the mistake starts. You can make a tremendous difference. Your chelik means the whole world to Hashem, but do your chelik. Daven for the Beit Hamikdash. Every day, 5 minutes of Tehillim. You daven for a parnasa. You daven for health, for children, for bracha, for nachas. How about 5 minutes a day to daven for the Shekhinah, daven for HaKadosh Baruch Hu to rebuild the Beit Hamikdash. Daven, take upon yourself that for now on this upcoming year, my tefillahs are going to be more about the Beit Hamikdash.